Everybody's got to carry their weight. Everybody got to do their part. Everybody got to step up. Not just one person. I'm talking about all 5 people to be out there on the floor. You should be going hard. Why? Because you had the ability to. God bless you with the ability to go hard, to give your all, to give your best. That's what you need to do. Somebody got to have energy, enthusiasm, get pumped up, get hyped up, so we can go out there and put on the show. Because that's exactly what we do.